Hello everyone, today I'm testing EA Sports FC26 on my PC with a MSI 32-inch 4K OLED monitor. The gameplay looks super clear, the colors are bright and the motion feels really smooth on this big screen. Let's start the match and enjoy football together. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to support the channel.
And welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm Derek Ray and looking forward very much to getting tactical insights from my commentary partner, Sue Smith. And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. It's Argentina up against Portugal.
It's great to be here. I think it's important that both teams are focused from the off though and they start quickly. But I'd love to see some goals. Hopefully I've not just cursed it.
The Argentina first team. Lisandro Martinez plays alongside Cristian Romero in the centre of defence. Lionel Messi starts with Nicolas Gonzalez on the flanks. And Messi! And a goal right off the bat. No wonder they're jumping for joy.
Well, here's the replay. You do have to feel for the keeper though. He's been completely exposed. But once he's through, it's a neat finish. Very cool and collected.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Romero. And on to Gonzalez. Fernandez. Nahuel Molina. Enzo Fernandez. That's a good-looking ball. Oh, surely! On a solid piece of goalkeeping. Well, Portugal with the ball again. And a timely intervention. Incisive ball. Well, that was an opportunity to make the scoreboard look even better from their point of view.
Oh, you've got to put that away. But it does mean that the game's still in the balance.
Inacio. And unable to hang on to the ball. That's good pressing for you. Well, he's certainly not alone. Rodrigo de Paul. Fernandez. On to McAllister. High quality defending. Fernandes. It's a promising move from Portugal. A fine reading of the situation. Counter-attacking possibilities. This looks more than decent. And the ball gathered without any concern. Really getting stuck in. Molina. Gonzalez. Fernandez. Decent idea. Nahuel Molina. On to Messi. Could play it in. Well, dealt with that ball comfortably. Bernardo Silva. And he read it well. Messi. And Messi! And a goal to increase their advantage to 2 overall. That little bit of a cushion. Now it's all about keeping the concentration.
Well, we can have another look at this. It's a brilliant strike. He makes great contact with the ball, and the goalkeeper just watches it fly past him.
So the ball rolling again, 2-0 the score. And the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. That is that for the first half here. And back underway, there can be no denying it. There was a big gulf between the sides in the first half. Will we see a response from Portugal in the second? Well, good effective pressure. Tagliafico. That's what you call defending from the front. Possibilities here. Well, a touch too heavy there. Might be a chance to break. Can he? And there it is! 3 goals in front now. An immense performance.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They were so quick to get out from the back, and once it falls to him like that, it's a routine finish, cool and clinical.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. Lionel Messi. Alvarez. Alexis McAllister. Plenty of support here. Threaded pass from Gonzalez. Oh, a sensational save!
Yeah, it is. What a fantastic save that is. He shows great power and agility to get to it. Certainly one for the show reel.
Delivering it. Well, all manner of movement around the goalkeeper, but stuck to his task. Neto. Danger building. Now Romero with it. Rodrigo de Paul. Here's Alvarez. Well, failure to keep the ball by Argentina. Alvarez. Oh, breezing past him. Oh, outstanding save!
Yeah, did everything right there. Positioned well and reacted brilliantly.
Who can they pick out? Well, the keeper wanted to take it cleanly and did. Neto. Silva. And quick thinking defensively.
Oh, they stopped that really well, didn't they? Really well organised off the ball there.
Chance to shoot. Well, a touch off the defender last of all, so a corner. Over it comes. And dealt with proficiently there. And the shot. And the keeper more than equal to it. And played short. And there it breaks down, but credit to the defence. Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter-attack. Well, it looks so promising, but it all comes to nothing. Bruno Fernandes. And thwarted there, following the cross. Argentina doing well to regain possession. And he's broken free. Well, had the keeper to beat, but failed to do so in the end.
Well, he's got to be clinical there. It's a great opportunity to score.
Effective press. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Well, sloppy from both sides, you have to say.
Yeah, there's no real rhythm at all right now, is there?
Messi in the vicinity. Well, pretty straightforward for the keeper, you've got to say. Mensch. Now with Vitinha. Bernardo Silva. Now with McAllister. And the electronic board delivers the news. 2 minutes of stoppage time. Well, a growing sense of frustration. Just can't get near the ball. Terrific block there. Well, that's good defending. Well organised up the back. And it goes into the history books as a win for Argentina. A very satisfactory outcome. Your analysis?
Well, it was a very assured performance, wasn't it? Particularly impressed with their play going forward. They were really lively and almost cutting through at will at times. The result never in much doubt.
He's rarely quiet. He usually bosses around everywhere, Lionel Messi. What did you make of what he actually did out there on the pitch?
Yeah, he played well, didn't he? His movement was excellent, and on the ball he was a constant threat. Took his goals well too.